Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on your camera on Ome TV using your iPhone in 2025. If you're having trouble getting your camera to work during chat, this will help you to get it set up fast. First, open the Ome TV app on your iPhone. When you join the chat, Ome TV will usually ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. If you don't see the camera is working, make sure you've allowed camera access in your iPhone settings. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down to Ome TV and toggle on the camera option. If the camera option still doesn't turn on, try restarting the app on your phone to refresh the permission. Also, ensure that no other app is using the camera in the background, which can block Ome TV from accessing it. Once your camera is enabled, you should see your video feed on the screen and you are ready to start chatting. If you want to switch between front and back cameras, just tap the camera icon during the call. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to turn on your camera on Ome TV for iPhone, please like this video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more social media, social op tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.